Hi, Pamangkin Joey. Happy birthday. Having you for a Pamangkin is the greatest gift of all. Wishing you the best. Happy birthday. You are more than a nephew to me. You are my best friend. We hope mag-enjoy ka sa imong birthday and stay beautiful in and out, and hope your plan and dream in life will do come. Joey, dear nephew, happy birthday. I'm proud of the man you become. You're amazing, cheerful, loving, diligent, and a perfect young man or lady. I'm proud to call you my Pamangkin. Happy birthday. We love you so much. Take care, and always pray and work hard para sa atong plan in life. Sana matutupad na. So, I'm really excited to see you soon in here. Very soon. Fingers crossed and pray. Enjoy. So, love you.